How to solve login problem on Litmatch app. So if you want to solve the login problem on your Litmatch app, then what you need to do is first you need to check your internet connection. And even after checking the internet connection, if it doesn't fix your problem, then you can just open up your Play Store. Now once you open up your Play Store, go with search and search for Litmatch. And here if you have any updates under the application, you just need to simply go and update it. Once you've updated, the next thing you need to do is just tap and hold on to that Litmatch application. Go with the app info. Now you need to go with the storage and cache. Now clear the cache and also the storage. Once you clear the cache and your storage, then you need to go back and tap on force stop and force stop the application. Once you force stop the application, now the last thing you need to do is restart your device. Press and hold on to that power button, restart, and after restarting, you can go back to the application and try, and it will fix your problem. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.